Hey guys, so I'm a stay-at-home mom. My husband works nights because that's what his job requires of him to do. And so sometimes I get overwhelmed and I unfortunately let my sink build up and get a little bit dirty. So I thought I would take you guys with me today to clean it. And then every day this week, check in with you guys, make sure I'm going to bed with a clean sink, because I have heard that if you go to bed with a clean sink, it's happier and it helps spread to other areas to help keep things more neat and organized. And to be completely honest, I'm not always the most neat and organized person, so I need to work on that. So I thought I would take you guys along that journey with me to just making my life more organized and neat and just better for me, for my kids, for my husband. So we're starting with the sink. So I'm gonna put this on quick mode while I'm cleaning it and listening to some music, and then I'll check back in with you guys. And then every night before I go to bed for the next week, I will check in with you guys if I have to wash some dishes and whatever. And then after that, you guys can stay tuned in my shorts to make sure that I am keeping up on it. All right? Thanks. Okay, so the first thing I need to do is unload the dishwasher. So we're gonna do that, and then we will start cleaning out the sink and the dishes. Okay, so I now have an empty dishwasher, which is super exciting. So we're gonna start doing some of the dishes that are in the sink, putting them in the dishwasher, and hopefully getting this all clean. Hey guys, all right, so I got the dishwasher running. I got it as full as I could. I'll take you guys over here. There are still some dishes in the sink. Wow. There's still some dishes in the sink, dishes there. I'm gonna look around the house, see if there's any dishes around the house. There are 5 people who live here, a 5-year-old and a 7-year-old who just probably take things and put them where they shouldn't. So I'm gonna do all that, and then when the dishes are done in the dishwasher, I'll come back here, we'll unload them, and we will continue cleaning until this sink is completely clean for day 1. And then we'll come back for 6 more days after that, and every night before bed we'll do a check-in to make sure that my sink is completely clean. If you like videos like this, please consider subscribing and giving this channel, subscribing to this channel, because I'm gonna try and just do a ton more cleaning here. But I also do running videos, knitting videos, essential oils. I'm learning how to compost, learning how to do plants. So there's tons of things that I'm learning on this channel, and I want you guys to come along that learning journey with me as I grow as a person. All right, stay tuned. All right, guys, day 1 done. It's empty. Show you guys the whole thing there. I'm now going to clean this with baking soda and distilled white vinegar. All right, last step for the night. The spoon I used for the baking soda is going in there. I don't have enough to run a load tonight, but I will run that tomorrow, and we'll do this whole process again. Hey guys, day 2. So it looks like just a couple dishes are left in here. Some keto fork in the dishwasher. Open this up. We have a plate from dinner and a wine glass. And this is day 2 of going to bed with an empty sink. Hey guys, so let me just tell you, I am exhausted. If you haven't seen it already, I will leave the link to the video in the description box below. But today we got back from the zoo. We did a whole zoo day today, and I shared that along with a stroller review of the new stroller that we got, so I'll leave that video down below. But I just wanted to show you guys that I have quite a few dishes to do. So we're gonna do those and run the dishwasher to make sure that I am still going to bed with a clean sink, even though I did probably about 9 miles today with the zoo trip. So let me get my dishwasher open here, and let's get what we can get in here and hand wash what needs to be hand washed. My girls are being a little crazy, but let's get this all cleaned up and ready for me to go take a quick shower and go to bed, because I am tired. So let me put this on the speedy uppy mode. Hey guys, so that's it for tonight. I now have a clean sink. It's just draining. Everything, the dishwasher's running, so I feel super accomplished. Stay tuned for day 4 tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you, I've got a few dishes left here in the sink that I'm gonna clean up and put away and just head to bed because I am tired. But I just wanted to show you we are staying on top of this. All right, everyone, good night, and I will see you tomorrow, and we will keep up on this because it really does feel great to be going to bed every night so far with a clean sink. Bye. Hey guys, I'm exhausted. It has been a really long day, but we are gonna empty the dishwasher and clean out the sink because that is what we are doing. We are creating new habits. So I will put this on time lapse and we will take care of this even though I am exhausted. Hey guys, another night, another clean kitchen sink. Hopefully we can turn this into a really good habit that will start trickling throughout other things so I can be more neat and tidy and organized. I'm trying to do better, so another clean sink, yay! Hey guys, welcome to Thursday. So we're gonna do some cleaning up and to get ready for bed. Some dishes, I need to put away leftovers. We just finished dinner, so I thought this is the best time to do it. We had chicken Alfredo that I made in the crock pot, and so I need to put all that away for leftovers, put dishes in the sink so I can run the dishwasher hopefully tonight because there wasn't enough to do load last night, and just do some general cleaning up of dishes. So let me get this all started. Another day, another clean sink. It's perfect. It's awesome. So anyways, I hope you guys have a beautiful day. Hey guys, thank you for staying tuned. It's been 1 week of going to bed with a clean sink, empty sink. Stay tuned to follow along in my shorts, so until I turn this into a habit, because this needs to become a habit in my life. If you've made it this far in the video, please consider subscribing to this channel and giving this video a thumbs up. And I'll be back with more videos later on. Bye!